Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you are interested in learning how I created this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to first start off by braiding Caimille's hair in this pattern. I'm now going to braid the center hair and sew it down. And here's the completed look. I'm now going to use my crochet hook and my braiding hair. I'm now going to use the crochet hook to thread the weaving hair underneath the braid, and I'm going to loop the hair and to make us one single knot. And I'm going to continue this process throughout the entire head. And I'm going to fluff the hair, or like pull it apart, to try to hide the braids underneath and to give the hair more volume. And here's the completed look once I've done the entire head. Hey, are you enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would be much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to take my clippers and do a rough shaping of the afro. You can see me making the guideline at this point right here. Now that I've completed the guideline, I'm going to go in and try to make layers. As you can see here, I'm just working my way to the front of the hair, trying not to cut too much off in the front. And now I'm checking both sides in the front for balance. And now that I've established the sides and the back, I'm going to try to trim the front so that everything is nice and even. Not realizing that the color is not correct. I guess her hair must have faded. But anyway, I've gone ahead and taken the hair loose, and now I'm trying to fluff out the hair to hide any braids that you can see underneath and add more volume so it can have the afro style. And as you can see, I'm going to continue to shape the hair. It's a little bit too long in the front, so I'm going to end up having to chop that off too. Now that I've got the desired shape, I'm going to go in with my shears and go ahead and try to skim the top. And now for a recap. I'm going to braid the hair and secure the center of the hair with some weaving thread in order to get it out of the way. I'm next going to take the crochet hook and loop it underneath the braid and loop one end and to create a knot. Now here's the completed look. I'm going to take my clippers and I'm going to do a rough draft of how I want the overall shape to be. Once I've gotten that shape, I'm going to use my shears in order to create a more softer look. And here's the completed look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.